So let's say we want to solve for the letter F. So let's cross and multiply and clear our fractions since we have one fraction equals another. So that would be 15R equals J times F minus 9S, because that's understood to be multiplication. So 15R equals J times F minus 9S, and we're trying to solve for F. So let's distribute the J, and that's FJ minus 9JS. Trying to solve for F. Let's add 9JS to both sides, and that gives me FJ. And we're going to solve for F, so divide both sides by J. So it's 15R plus 9JS divided by J equals F. So you'll just do that for the other variables as well.